All right, I got the JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker. We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and see everything that comes inside. And I'm also curious to find out if it does come pre-charged out of the box, so you can just use it right away. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's just open it up here. All right, let's see what comes in this box. It looks like a really nice box here. Let's see what's in this container. You do have your, it looks like a charging cable. Yep, there we go. It's a Type-C to USB charging cable that you'll hook into any charging block that you have at your house already that you use for your phone. Got some booklets in here. All right, looks like we have a quick start guide, and we have a product registration guide. All right, just sit those there. Let's get the speaker out. All right, you got the speaker itself right here. All right, and yeah, the box came in a really nice, well-packaged box. It makes you think there's something else in it, but there's not. So it did not come with the charging block. I was also wondering that. So everything that comes in the box here, you have the JBL speaker, you have your charging cable, and your booklets. Let's see if it comes charged right out of the box. All right, it is powering on. Went right into pairing mode. So yeah, it is charged right out of the box. So you can use it right away. So say you pick it up right before you go on a trip or something, or you just want to try to use it right away as soon as you get it. Doesn't look like it needs to be charged. I don't know how much charge it does come charged with out of the box, but yeah, it is charged. So there's everything: the speaker, the charging cable, and the booklet.